Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure basics are ready. Charge the Airpods and unlock your phone. Once done, turn on Bluetooth in settings and keep the phone unlocked. Now open the Airpods case and hold it close to the phone. This triggers the automatic pairing prompt on iPhone or the discovery process on Android. Make sure the case lid stays open and Airpods stay in the case until you see the prompt. This avoids repeated rediscovery and speeds up the initial connection. Tap the on-screen pairing button and follow any prompts such as agree or connect. This completes automatic pairing on iPhone. For Android phones, go to Settings, Bluetooth Pair New Device, and then press the small Setup button on the case for 3-5 seconds to make the Airpods discoverable. Once your phone shows the Airpods and reports connected, play audio to confirm both left and right buds' output sound. If offered, allow access to contacts or call audio for full headset functionality. After connection, go to Bluetooth settings to rename the Airpods and set them as the default audio device for media and calls. Make sure your phone's OS and the Airpods firmware are up to date because updates fix stability and feature issues. If you experience dropouts or one bud silent, try the key troubleshooting tip. Forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings, power cycle the phone, then repair from the case using the Setup button. This clears pairing conflicts and usually resolves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.